everyone. So I purchased this dog bed on Temu for my baby Great Dane, and it just got here a couple minutes ago. Now it's as you may notice, kind of deflated, but that's to be expected, and I'm going to show you how to properly unbox one of these, because I see a lot of people commenting that it's not fluffy, it's flat, etc., etc. This comes vacuum packed in a bag, in a box, all rolled up tight. So when you undo the bag, it already starts to automatically inflate, and people think, oh, that's it. But it doesn't fully inflate right away. It requires a little bit of muscle and energy to get it fully inflated. So I'm going to show you how we do that. First, I've got to find a way to set this camera up. I'm in my bedroom so the dogs don't bother me. I don't think I'm going to find a way to set this up. But the first thing you want to do is you basically want to pick it up from one end, and you want to grab the whole thing, both hands, and you want to just slap it on a surface. That can be your table, that can be your bed, that can be your floor, whatever. And you want to do that on all four sides. You basically just pick it up and smack it down like you're having a pillow fight with it. That's going to knock a lot of air into that stuffing and open that stuffing up. Then the second thing you want to do after you do that is you want to massage the stuffing. Okay, and so you just get your hand in there and you just sort of wiggle it around and fluff it up and kind of abuse it a little bit. That's the best way to put it. You want to do that in all parts of it too, not just the center. You want to go around the bolster and abuse it. And what you're doing is, when these things are vacuum packed, all of the air is sucked out of that stuffing. And in order for it to be big and fluffy and comfortable the way that it's meant to be, it needs to get the air back in it. And so with this, you're sort of breaking up those clumps of stuffing that form as it's being vacuum packed. You know, you're kind of just separating it, making more space in those stuffing clumps for more air to get in. Okay, so don't be soft or gentle. It's a dog bed, for crying out loud. Be rough with it. Abuse it. Get it good and broken up and massaged, and you can do it from several angles, but again, I have to hold this thing, so y'all are probably not seeing much but a bunch of pink fluff. But now you're gonna look at that and go, it doesn't look any better, and it's not supposed to. If you read the instructions on this dog bed and other products like this, whether it be boxed mattresses for people or pillows, which these pillows I bought a while back, came vacuum packed exactly the same way, flat as pancakes and rolled up like cigarillos. And now look at how fluffy they are. Anything that comes vacuum packed, you're going to have to do this process with. Same thing with my other two dog beds. Ignore the old pillow. These were both flat as pancakes and rolled up real tight. You just gotta whack them, massage them, and step number 3, very important, let them sit. This is where people go wrong. They're like, the bed's here, and they want to throw it on the floor and let the dog jump on it. And the thing is if the air doesn't have time to get into the stuffing, this thing will never fluff up properly. It will always look soft and sad and kind of flat. Now, if you've already done that, it's not too late. Take it away from your dog. Fluff it up, rough it up, smack it up. Let it sit. And then give it at least 24, preferably 72 hours without being used to let all those voids fill with air. It doesn't hurt to come by once a day and refluff and break up the stuffing clumps even more, and they'll be more apparent as it gets air in them. And it will just get thicker and softer and more padded with time until eventually it will look like that. Look at how thick that is. That thing was so flat, I didn't think there was any stuffing in it when it arrived. So you just got to trust me on this one. This is probably my, well, let's see, 2 pillows, now 3 dog beds. I think there was something else I bought that I had to do this with. I'm not new to this experience, and I've never had a case where it stayed flat after using this process. So stick with me, and if I remember, I'll come back and post another video showing you the finished product after it's had time to inflate for a couple days. Have a good one. Ciao.